Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today my recipe is wheat rava pongal. For this we need the ingredients are 1 cup of wheat rava, half cup of moong dal, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, few curry leaves, 2 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 2 teaspoon of chopped cashew nuts. Cashew nuts and ghee are totally optional, and salt to taste. Today I am using broken wheat rava. It is not very nice for pongal, but it is very good. I am using organic wheat Dhaliya. Mix the wheat rava and moong dal together. Wash it thoroughly. I have taken 1 cup of wheat rava and half cup of moong dal. So I added 3 cups of water. Transfer the dal and the wheat rava into the cooker. Add salt. Mix it well. Close it and cook it for 5 whistles. Melt the ghee and fry the cashew nuts. Now it is done. Keep it separately. In the same pan, add oil. When oil is hot, add freshly crushed pepper, cumin seeds, hing, grated ginger, and curry leaves. Switch off the heat. After 5 whistles, open and see. It's fully cooked. Now time to add the seasoning. And mix it well. Add the fried cashew nuts. It's totally optional. If you want to avoid the ghee and cashew, you can avoid. Check the salt. If you want to add the salt, now you can add. Healthy wheat rava pongal is ready. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.